Okay, this is the homework help video for Wednesday, November 30th for my on-level classes, periods 2, 3, and 4. We're solving for the variable in all of these problems, and we've been doing quite a bit of this, but now we're doing two-step equations. We do the same way. We divide the equation into two sides, draw a line down the equal side to represent the balanced scale model we used in class. The first thing I need to do is to isolate k is to get rid of this minus 16, this subtraction, and we do that with the inverse operation, which is addition. So I add 16 to both sides of the equation. It's okay to do anything to one side of the equation as long as you do the same thing to the other side. This equals 33, and the reason we did that is because now this goes away, this equals 0. Minus 16 plus 16, that equals 0, that's like 16 zero pairs. And we're just left with this term, 3k, on the left side. So we know what 3k is equal, but I want to know what 1k equals. So I'm going to undo this multiplication with division, divide by 3 on both sides. And the reason we do that is 3 over 3 is just 1. 1k is just k. K equals 33 divided by 3 is 11. But we never circle our answer without first checking it. Substitute that value for k into the original equation. If k really equals 11, then 3 times 11 minus 16 should equal 17. 3 times 11 is 33. Minus 16 should equal 17. Borrow here. 13 minus 6 is 7. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 17 equals 17. That checks out. And then I can circle my answer. I'm also going to do number 8. Same thing. Show two sides of the equation. I'm going to get rid of this subtracting 16 with the inverse operation, which is adding 16. You have to do that to both sides. 11 plus 16 is 27. And this negative 16 plus 16, that's 0. So we're just left with this term on the left, d over 2. d divided by 2 equals 27. In order to isolate d, I need to undo this division with the inverse operation, which is multiplication. So I'm going to multiply by 2. And I can do that as long as I do the same thing on the other side. 27 times 2 is 54. And if you think of 2 as a fraction, it's 2 over 1, and you can see that these 2's will cancel. 2d over 2 is just 1d or d. So d equals 54. Again, we need to check it before we circle it. Original equation was d divided by 2 minus 16 equals 11. So put our value for d into that equation. 54 over 2 minus 16 should equal 11. 54 divided by 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Bring down the 4. How many 2's in 14? 7. 7 times 2 is 14. So this is 27 minus 16. 11 equals 11. That checks out. Circle our answer. Okay, there's a golden ticket in this homework help video. We had a similar golden ticket. This one's a little bit easier than the last one. You need to use the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4, each only once to make 0. The only operations you can use are division and subtraction, but it is okay to use grouping symbols like parentheses. Okay, good luck with that. The first person to bring me a correct answer for the golden ticket wins a golden ticket, and anyone else who brings me a correct answer after that wins 10 tickets for the next weekly drawing. Anyone who makes an attempt but doesn't get the correct answer will win 5 tickets for the weekly drawing. Okay, see you in the morning.